Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Master Zone. I'm so happy you're here with me today. In this video, we have a fun and surprising story to help you practice your English. If you want to improve your listening skills, this video is perfect for you. And if you also want to practice your speaking, you can try something called shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a great way to practice speaking English. It's very simple. You just listen to me and repeat everything I say. It's like being my shadow. You follow me step by step. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly. After every sentence, I will pause just a little so you can repeat after me. You can also pause the video whenever you need more time. Try to copy my pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This will help you sound more natural when you speak English. You will also see the full story on the screen. So you can read the words, listen to my voice, and speak with me all at the same time. This method helps you understand better, remember more, and speak more confidently. The goal of this video is to help you practice listening and also shadowing if you want. You can repeat along with me, sentence by sentence. Now, let me tell you a little bit about today's story. It's about a girl named Erica. She travels to San Francisco for a new job opportunity. She feels excited and maybe a little nervous. But when she checks in at the hotel, she sees something that shocks her. She sees her best friend's boyfriend, and he's with another girl. They are laughing. They look closely. Erica thinks, is he cheating on my friend? But is the boy really doing something wrong? Or is Erica making a big mistake? What do you think? Let's find out together. My name is Erica. I am on a plane right now. I am flying to San Francisco. Today is a big day. I have a job interview. A new company invited me here. They saw my resume online. They said, "We want to meet you in person." I said, "Yes." This job is very important for me. If I get this job, I can move to San Francisco. I can start a new life. I can help my family. I am also a little nervous. I don't know anyone in this city. But wait, I remember something. My best friend Camila told me her boyfriend lives here now. His name is Tom. I met him once before. He's nice, funny, smart. Maybe I will see him here. That would be fun. Now the plane is landing. I take a taxi to the hotel. I give my name to the receptionist. They say my room is not ready yet. So, I sit down to wait. Suddenly, I see someone. No, it can't be. Yes, it's Tom. But he is not alone. There is a girl with him. Wait, who is she? They are talking. They are smiling. She is laughing. He is laughing too. What? Why is he with another girl? Where is Camila? Does she know about this? I can't believe it. Is he cheating on Camila right here in this hotel? Now I start thinking. Should I say something? Should I take a photo? Should I call Camila? But maybe I am wrong. Maybe this is not what I think. No, I know what I see. This is bad, really bad. Now I feel something strange. Why do I feel like this? Why am I here watching this? I just came for a job. Now I'm in the middle of something I don't understand. What should I do now? Should I go talk to him? Or should I stay quiet? I don't know. But something feels wrong. Very wrong. I keep watching. They're still talking. Now I hear her say something. She says, "Let's not tell her yet." Tom nods. Wait, what? Not tell who? Are they talking about Camila? My heart is racing. This feels serious now. She says again, "Let's wait a little more." She doesn't know anything. Tom says, "Okay, it's better this way." No, this is not okay. They're hiding something. They are talking about Camila. I'm sure of it. This is not a joke. They are keeping a secret, a big secret. Why is he doing this? Why would he lie to Camila? She loves him. She trusts him. I want to go there right now and say something. I want to tell him I saw you. I want to ask, who is she? But I wait. Then I hear something else. The girl says, don't worry. I will leave before she comes. Tom says, yes, that's best. Leave before she comes? This is worse than I thought. He doesn't want Camila to see her. That's why they are meeting here, in this hotel. Now I feel angry, but I also feel confused. Why here? Why now? Why me? This is Camila's boyfriend, and this girl, is she the other woman? I think again. Maybe I should call Camila right now. Maybe I should tell her everything. But wait, what if I am wrong? What if I don't know the full story? No, I can't be wrong. I heard them. I saw them. This is not normal. Then something happens. They both look around. They get quiet. Then the girl says, okay, I gotta go. Tom stands up. They both walk away. I sit there, still watching, still thinking. Did I just see a secret meeting? A real one? I came for a job, but now I feel like a detective. A very confused detective. What do I do now? I wait in the lobby. Tom comes back. He's alone now. He walks to the front desk. He says something to the receptionist. Then he turns around. He sees me. Oh no. He walks toward me. Erica, he says, what are you doing here? I smile a little. I say, I have a job interview. I'm staying in this hotel. He says, wow, that's great. Good luck. I nod, but my mind is full of questions. Then I say it. I can't stop myself. I ask, who was that girl? Tom looks confused. He says, what girl? I say, the girl who was with you. She just left. He laughs. Wait, why is he laughing? He says, that was my sister. What? I say, your sister? Yes, he says, my little sister. She came here for the weekend. She wanted to surprise our mom. Now my face feels hot. I say, but I heard you say, let's not tell her yet. He says, yeah, we were talking about my mom. We're planning a surprise party for her birthday. Oh no, he wasn't hiding anything from Camila. He wasn't cheating. He wasn't doing anything wrong. It was all a big misunderstanding. A huge one. I say, I thought you were with another girl. He says, no, Camila is the only girl for me. Now I feel so embarrassed, so very embarrassed. I say, I'm sorry. I really thought something else was happening. He smiles. He says, it's okay. I guess it looks strange. I say, yes, very strange. We laugh a little. Then he says, good luck on your interview, Erica. I hope you get the job. I say, thank you. Then he walks away. Now I sit here alone again. What just happened? I came to San Francisco for a new job, and I almost ruined my friend's relationship because I didn't know the full story. I thought I knew everything, but I didn't. And now I have something to think about. Sometimes we see something, and we think we understand it. But maybe we don't. We guess. We imagine. We create a story in our head. That's what happened to me in San Francisco. I thought I knew the truth, but I was wrong. This can also happen when we learn English. We see a word, and we think we know what it means. We hear a sentence, and we think we understand it. But sometimes we don't. And that's okay. Learning a new language is like solving a puzzle. You don't always see the full picture at first. You need time. You need practice. You need to be patient. Maybe you hear something in English, and you feel confused. Maybe you try to speak, but you're not sure if it's correct. Maybe you want to say something, but you feel afraid to make a mistake. But here's the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. Misunderstandings help us grow. And with every mistake, we learn something new. So don't stop. Don't give up. Don't jump to fast conclusions. Not in life, and not in language. Just like I learned something important that day in the hotel, you can learn something important every day as you study English. Take your time. Listen carefully. Repeat the words. Try shadowing. Try again. Every word you say is one step closer to fluency. You're doing great. Language takeaway. Now let's look at some useful phrases and grammar from Erica's story. These are expressions you can use in real life, and also when talking about feelings, problems, or decisions. Is he cheating on Camilla? Cheating on means being unfaithful in a romantic relationship. If someone is cheating on their partner, it means they are secretly dating or loving someone else. Repeat after me. He is cheating on his wife. She is cheating on her boyfriend. Is he cheating on Camilla? It's a common phrase when we talk about relationships or secrets. Should is used to ask for advice or to talk about the right thing to do. Repeat after me. Should I call her? Should I wait? Should I say something? Should I tell the truth? Use it when you're unsure about what to do. He doesn't want Camilla to see her. This structure uses wants someone to do something. It means one person wants another person to take an action. Repeat after me. I want you to help me. Do you want me to come? She doesn't want him to know. He doesn't want Camilla to see her. This is very useful in daily conversation. Why would he lie to Camilla? Would is used to talk about imagined situations or things that are surprising or hard to believe. Repeat after me. Why would she do that? Why would they leave? Why would he lie to Camilla? It shows doubt or surprise about someone's action. That's why. That's why means for this reason. Repeat after me. I was tired. That's why I stayed home. He was hiding something. That's why I followed him. They are planning a surprise. That's why they're whispering. It connects the cause and result. Very common in storytelling. Okay, I gotta go. This is an informal way to say, I have to go. Both mean you need to leave or do something now. Repeat after me. I gotta go now. I got to call my friend. Sorry, I got to study. This is very common in spoken English. It sounds relaxed and natural. Practice time. Repeat after me. Say these phrases out loud with me. Is he cheating on her? Should I say something? Do you want me to help? Why would she lie? That's why I was confused. I gotta go. Quick review. In this story, you learned cheating on being unfaithful in a relationship. Should I? Asking for advice. Want someone to? Expressing what someone wants another person to do. Why would? Showing doubt or surprise. That's why. Showing reason and result. I got to. Casual way to say I have to. All of these are easy, useful, and natural in everyday English. Great job today. Remember phrases like should I and that's why are super useful in everyday conversations. And now you also know how to use want me to and I got to go, just like native speakers. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed Erica's story and learned something new. You can watch this video again and again to practice shadowing. The more you repeat, the better your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence will become. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with me. Before we go, remember this. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. So keep going, keep trying, and most of all, keep enjoying the journey. See you in the next video.